Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord username and tag. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to first open your web browser on or your Discord application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now to begin, click on the gear icon situated in the bottom of the Discord interface, and once you click on it, this will take you in the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your account. Next, navigate to the account section here, and here you might need to disable the streamer mode to proceed with the username change. And once it's appropriate area, click on the edit button. Click on the edit button over here, and once you click on it, simply backspace the characters and enter a new username and set it and click on done. You also have to enter your current password in order to confirm, and this way you can easily change your username on Discord. Likewise, you can also change your display name. For that, click on edit and then enter another display name you would like to keep, and you can also add your pronouns if you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.